In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Studies 2026 Full Guide. Studying today isn't about stuffing facts into short term memory, it's about understanding concepts deeply, thinking critically, and applying ideas with confidence. If you're only using AI to copy answers, you're not learning. I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into a 24/7 study partner that helps you grasp tough topics and remember them longer. First, deconstruct complex technical concepts into plain English. When a textbook chapter feels dense and overloaded with jargon, ask ChatGPT to simplify. Try. Act as an incredibly engaging university professor. Break down this specific academic concept into plain English, remove unnecessary jargon, and use a clear, real world analogy from everyday life to explain how it works. Insert concept, for example, asynchronous programming or supply and demand elasticity. If the explanation still feels heavy, ask for a shorter version or a different analogy until it clicks. Next, implement active recall using the Socratic method. Passive rereading wastes time. You need to retrieve information from memory. Prompt ChatGPT with, I am studying a chapter on insert topic. Act as a strict but helpful tutor using the Socratic method. Ask me one challenging question at a time to test my knowledge. Wait for my answer, tell me if I missed any critical details, explain the context briefly, and then give me the next question. Keep answering out loud or in writing and let the tutor push you to justify your reasoning. Then transform your study notes into high yield mock exams. Practicing under realistic conditions builds confidence. Use, based on the following study notes, generate a realistic 5-question mock test. Include 3 multi statement conceptual questions and 2 application based short answers. Do not show me the answer key until I type grade me and submit my responses. Paste notes. Set a timer, complete it without peeking, then type grade me for feedback. After that, reverse engineer your mistakes through deep error analysis. Don't just glance at the correct answer, fix your thinking. Paste the missed question and your wrong answer with, here is a practice question I got wrong, along with the answer I selected. Do not just state the correct choice. Walk me through the logical flaw in my thinking, explain exactly why my choice is incorrect, and give me a clear rule of thumb to avoid this mistake on the real exam. Finally, generate high-density revision sheets and flashcards. When time is tight, ask, take my complete topic notes and synthesize them into a rapid review cheat sheet. Focus on critical formulas, exceptional case rules, high-weight concepts, and generate 5 rapid-fire Kiwanda flashcards at the bottom. A quick integrity reminder. Schools use advanced AI and plagiarism checks. Use ChatGPT as a coach and brainstorming partner, not a shortcut for graded work. Keep your submissions original. Use AI to challenge yourself, not replace yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.